Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step before following through with this method is to log into your WordPress account. After you are properly logged into your WordPress account, access your WordPress admin dashboard. Within your admin dashboard, select the Plugins options from the left-sided menu and select Add New. In the Plugins list, search for AMP for WordPress or AMPWP. You should see this add-on called Accelerated Mobile Pages. Add the plugin, and after it is activated, select it through your left side menu. When you first open up the plugin config, it will give you two options for the panel view. I recommend selecting the basic option if you only wish to properly fix your page on mobile without going through each individual configuration within your website. Select advanced only if you wish to configure every single element within your website. After you select the panel view, you will be given all options related to your website, including the design and presentation, the analysis tracking, and the privacy settings. The only thing we care about at the moment is setting up our design so it properly lines up in mobile. So click on the options and follow through with the procedure. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix your WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.